Hey, I'm Josh, and welcome to Devlog 0 for my first indie game project. I'm a software developer by day and spend my free time mostly learning new things. In the past few weeks, I have started learning C++ and have decided that making a game would be the best way to further my knowledge. Making a game involves the skills of level design, music creation, asset design, and programming, which I'll try to learn along the way. The reason I'm making this video series is to document the whole process of making a game engine and game from scratch, and to keep myself accountable. I have no experience in making games but plan to learn along the way. The game I'm going to be making is a shoot 'em up, with the engine being designed and built from scratch. I have chosen not to use an existing game engine like Unity or Godot, as I want to learn about C++ and SDL and how they're used to create game engines, and 2, be able to gain the knowledge to port the game to more exotic hardware. I've already created a base engine with the help of the excellent Fundamentals of 2D Games engine course on Udemy. There is a link in the description to the course. I'll be releasing these devlogs on a weekly basis to share the progress I'm making with the game and the tips and tricks I find along the way. I have no experience before this in making games, so if you see anything wrong, feel free to correct me in the comments. I haven't chosen a name for the game yet or created any art, but a name should be picked before the next week's devlog. I'll be drawing inspiration for the game from games like Ikaruga or Radiant Silvergun. To be clear, I'm not going to have as much polish as those games because I don't want to spend multiple years making this game. In the upcoming week, I'm going to be working on the core engine and mechanics, such as enemies and bullets, with some temporary assets, and then in the following week, I'll be starting to create the assets for the week after a playable demo to be completed. I also hope to show useful ways of finding time for your passion and hobby while working full-time, and what productivity tips help me most when developing games. If you have any feedback of what you'd like to see in the series or want to give some advice, I'd really enjoy hearing from you in the comments. But until then, see you in the next video.